In this video, I am going to show you how to make a button in WordPress look professional. When you first add a button in WordPress using the default block editor, it usually looks very plain. The design is simple, the edges are square, and it doesn't really stand out on the page. This can make your site look unfinished, even if your content is good. Now let's transform that basic button into something that looks modern and professional using the Divi builder. Start by going to your WordPress dashboard and opening the page where you want the button. Instead of using the default block editor, click on Edit with Divi. You can follow along using the link in the description. When the page loads in Divi's visual builder, add a button module. Type in the text you want for the button. For example, you might write "Get started, learn more," or "Contact us." To style the button, go to the Design tab and enable Use Custom Styles for Button. This is the option we will use every time we make changes. Let's create a rounded button. Set the border radius to 100 pixels. Choose a background color such as green and set the text color to dark gray or black for contrast. You can also add a subtle border with transparency for a softer style. Adjust the font to match the rest of your site. Now you have a smooth, modern, pill-shaped button. To make the border transparent, you don't remove the border width. Instead, you keep the border width set to the thickness you want, then click on the border color option. In the color picker, you'll see an opacity slider. If you drag that slider to the left, the border becomes lighter until it is fully transparent. For example, if you set the border width to 2 pixels and then reduce the opacity of the border color to around 30%, the border will look soft and semi-transparent. If you drag the slider all the way to 0, the border becomes completely invisible, but the button still keeps its spacing and shape. Let's add text shadows. Go to the text shadow options under the Design tab. Choose a shadow style, then adjust the horizontal and vertical position to control where the shadow falls. You can make it very soft and subtle for a modern glow, or more defined if you want the text to pop out. Text shadows can add depth and help your button text stand out against a busy background. You can also use a gradient. In the button settings, add a gradient background with 2 colors. Adjust the gradient direction until you find a look you like. For example, you can blend from green to blue at a diagonal. This gives the button a modern and eye-catching design. If you'd like to try Divi yourself, click the link in the description to get it from Elegant Themes at a great price.